welcome back. Today we've got another fix, I suppose, is with our Dynamo. It wasn't charging and we figured out that if we push the top brush down, it makes charge. So we're assuming that the brush is too short now. We've also sanded it down a few times because we thought it could have been dirty, which would have only shortened it even more. So we've bought some new ones, and because it's only the top one that seems to be being affected, we're only going to change the top one, which might not be the best thing to do because it means they'll be uneven later on. The other two will be worn and then the top one won't be, but it solves our problem for now. And the only other issue we've fixed at the moment, which we didn't film, was when we turned our ignition off, the points inside of the charge cutout were staying together, which would mean the ignition light would stay on. And we figured out that there was a wire in the Dynamo. Because it's quite old, the insulation around the wire wasn't there anymore, and so we wrapped some tape around it, and that's been fine ever since. So that's fixed, and I know a couple of people in our club were a bit stumped by that as well, so hopefully they'll see that and they'll figure out what it was. So today we're just going to fix this with one of the new brushes, and I think we're going to record that and take it out for a test drive afterwards. So all you need to do to gain access to it is, I can't get the screw, there we go, is to take this access plate off, and you can see the brush quite clearly. It comes up to the, it's right up the top, so don't lose the nut because that would be a bugger. And then there you go, it's that one right there. So when the engine's been running, we've been holding it down and it charges, but without doing that it doesn't seem to charge. So that's the one that we're going to replace today. So we've just taken the old brush off and you can see the length difference. It's quite substantial, and you can see that's the only place that the old one was making contact, and it's also not got much of a curve on it. I don't know if you can see that, and then this one does. Obviously this one's been made, but hopefully it should hold that curve, which this one hasn't, and it should make contact on the whole face as well. Right, so the brush is now in. You can see there's quite a bit making contact now, or quite a bit to make contact in the future, should I say. And we've been doing that off camera because it's incredibly fiddly, but hopefully it should work. So we'll test that now. There you go. And then stick it on high, and it charges even more. So that's clearly worked quite well, and next thing is to take it out for a test drive. So it seems to be charging quite nicely, and we've got, before it was flickering sometimes as well, but it doesn't seem to be doing that anymore. So it's charging consistently is what we're aiming for, and that's what it seems to be. Obviously we're quite low RPM at the moment, so it's not charging much, but when we're at higher RPM it charges higher. So I'd say that's been a success.